We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Krtx. We are in a monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a huge bullish green candle, look like coming from a pattern. So we do have price action overall higher highs, price action overall lower lows, midpoint in the middle, and we're also going to add where price is currently at. So below price, we do have a pattern, which is a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. We have that W formation. Second last candle is a doji, which should be identifying as a retest, and that market pushed up once we go down the lower time frame. With price action, we want to see if that market is consolidating sideways somewhere in this area here, or is a pattern is going to form and may come down back to the previous area of support. On the weekly time frame, price action is a bullish green candle with a wick down to the bottom, so it's like it's tagging the area of support. Big huge gap in the market as well. So we gotta figure out what's going on as we walk down. On a daily time frame, identifying the same candle as a weekly. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price action bullish green candle. Second last candle is a doji. So what's happening in that market on the 4-hour time frame? Market has pushed up and just came back down for a retest. Three-hour time frame, we have price action as a doji, bullish green doji. Second last candle, bigger large candle, bullish, and third last candle is a retest. So we have price spiked up, second last candle pushed down a bit, and price action came right back up, hanging out near the area of resistance. Still an area of a huge consolidation. Why we do have price action, second last candle is within the third to last candle of the market, so market's working its way sideways for that consolidation until we receive that break of the third to last candle of the market wick. And also we can see price is near that SR line, so we looking for that break, that retest, and for the market to push up further, or market can be denied after one push, two push, three pushes to that top, market can come down. So right now, market is identifying on 3-hour time frame as a double top and a retest. On a 2-hour time frame, price action still that bullish green candle hanging out near the area of resistance. So we have multiple pushes to that top. So let's draw out what we see. So we do have that first leg, second leg, and third leg, and the market's worked its way sideways. Still hasn't identified the fourth leg for a bullish engulfment pattern. For a bearish engulfment pattern that can drop that market down from that M pattern. If that market is going to work its way up, third to last candle is the push, second last candle is a retest. Rewind that. Fourth to last candle is a push, third to last candle is a retest, second last candle is a push, and the market's worked its way sideways. So we're still looking for a market to break this area of resistance, to retest, to work its way up further. So what patterns identifying here is a triple top and a retest. Altogether, 4 pushes to that top of that area of resistance. On the 1-hour time frame, price action, bullish green candle, second candle. And the market is also a bullish green doji. So price action is a doji, second to last candle is a doji, and we can see with this area here with this bullish green candle, market pushed up, came down for support of that area, and market pushed back up to that area. So it's still reading that third leg. If that market doesn't break out, market's still going to end up dropping from that double top. And if it does break out, it's just breaking up to new levels, which will identify that W formation incline, which is coming down in red for the first leg, pushing up in green for the second. Also, we're looking for the break of the second leg, come back for the retest for the third leg, market work its way up for the fourth leg, so market will be identifying a incline W. On a 4 hour time, on a 45 minute time frame, reading the same thing. So price, second, third, last candle, all dojis in the market. Still see that overall market broke, retest, pushed up, came back to retest, then market pushed up again. Now if it declines from that area, we can see market still coming from that double top. And if it breaks up, we're looking for that market to break that area, come back to retest. So as we're walking down the time frames are still reading the same thing, just showing the additional candles in the market. Price action on a 30-minute time frame is a bullish green candle, which is a doji. Second last candle is a doji as well. Third last candle is a doji, and the fourth last candle is a doji. So what's happening is trying to form that structure of that W. If it does push up, so it's looking like that first, second, third, fourth retest. So we just identified a double bottom and retest, and the market pushed up once to that area of resistance. Price, second, third, last candle is working its way sideways, still looking for that pattern to form. On a 15-minute time frame, starting to really see some structure near price action. So let's take a closer look. So we can clearly see that W below price. So we have that first, second, third, fourth, retest, one, retest. So if we receive an engulfment pattern in this area here, market's coming down from that M pattern. So it's two pushes to that top. If we receive the break of that market to the resistance, that market's drawing out that first leg, second leg, third leg, and push up for that fourth leg, retest, and working its way up further. On a 5-minute time frame, 5 minutes reading the same thing as well. Price action, second to last candle, bullish green doji, bearish red doji. Market's retesting this area of support, so it just came back down. So we have a high spike here for that first leg, second leg, overall third leg, and we have that fourth leg trying to come down. If we receive a solid bearish red candle, or maybe a green bullish green candle, that market can push up from that area for that W. If not, market can break, and we look for a retest to work its way down from a double top and a retest. On a 3-minute time frame, we do have a bullish green candle, so price action look like it is engulfing the previous candle that can push that market up. So this can be an area of support. So market so far look like it's about to push back up to that area of resistance. On a 1 hour time frame, now we get a closer view. We can see second last candle is a bullish green candle, and price action is a bullish green candle. Second last candle is engulfing the doji, which is closed out. It can push, and that's why we see that push. So what we're looking for here, if you guys are trading a 1 minute time frame, what we're looking for is price to break this midpoint of the price action high low. So we have a midpoint here. So it could be a few things that's happening. It was a long wick up to price. So prices could be drawing at first, second, third. It already touched with the long wick up to the price action. So that can be enough for that market to drop back down. If so, it's coming from a double top. If it breaks out, you can see the first, second, third, fourth. Look for that breakout with the full candle, come back to retest. And the market's working its way up further. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. Krtx stock